Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this box. Starting with this also, it's more. It's not only one, guys.
Hello, baby.
Okay guys, so this needs to open.
Yeah.
What is it,
Baby
baby?
wants to go in the garden.
Okay. Oh, okay. So that's how it should be there. So it's a huge box.
Not much in it.
Let's see. Oh wow! Can you see it, guys? Oh, it's two of these.
Yeah, one for upstairs, one for downstairs. For your wrists.
Okay, so what is this?
Yeah, for your
Keyboards,
you put it in front,
rest.
and then you rest your wrist while you do the typing.
Oh, see. So this is for my new computer.
Yeah.
For the new keyboard thing.
One for upstairs, one for downstairs.
Oh, so it's... Thank you so much, darling. I love it. I love it. Thank you. Amazing. Amaze. Oh, so this is how it should be. This. Like that.
Yeah. So keep that paper.
Oh.
You don't put it the wrong way on.
So it should.
It's got the name on there anyway. So.
Oh, so another one here. I didn't see. So it should be like that. And so it's easy. Resting.
Easy peasy.
My wrist will
Is
rest.
it soft or is it hard?
It's soft. See? It's soft because it's...
Yeah.
What do you call that? Retractable.
Yeah, I forgot.
But it come back.
Problem with those is they just sink eventually.
No, but I'm not doing it like that. I'm just resting it. Resting my wrist. So that's nice. Oh dear. So this is for one each. One computer. This is for...
One for upstairs, one for downstairs.
Yeah. Thank you so much,
Leave them there.
Thank you.
Leave them on the table. Just open the next.
Okay. Oh, so
They are all computer related.
So there's another one. So the other unboxing, guys, is this one. Oh, what's this? It's rounded. It's like pizza.
Careful not to damage the contents.
They should put this in the box.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so this is a wire. Okay, so this is
TV aerial extension lead, which we need for your new
for the
TV.
For the TV.
Or computer monitor, because it's a TV and it needs aerial connected to it.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need to open it, just leave it as it is. Mm-hmm. Coaxial cable.
What?
Coaxial cable. It's TV aerial cable.
Oh, so this is the... Okay. So should I open it?
No, just leave it.
Okay.
I'll just open it when I'm installing it.
Alright.
Next one.
So another unboxing, guys. This one. Let's unbox this.
Not computer related, but it's...
That is useful.
Yeah, it's sort of useful in your study or even in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm. Oh, really? You're always full of surprises, darling. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Cute like it.
Look at this, guys. It's a calendar. look, it's so
Next
cute.
year's calendar. Got it before it sells out.
Oh my gosh.
Do they have the other pictures on the back? Yes.
These cats are so adorable. So this is calendar 2024.
Yes.
So it's too early to get it. It's only...
Yeah, just in case it sells out. You never
Oh
know.
dear. Are you doing like that? Oh my gosh, that's so lovely.
Yes.
Amazing. Oh, it looks like our baby.
Yes. Where's our baby gone? Is he gone out? Or is he hiding somewhere?
Yeah. Alright, okay guys, so another unboxing. More unboxing.
Yes.
Oh, another. So let's see this, guys. What is this? Wow. Okay guys, so this is, let's see. Oh my gosh, this is another one. This another.
That's for the mouse pad.
Oh, so this is for the mouse.
It's downstairs.
Oh, that's so nice. I like the color.
You know, you can swap it with the upstairs. Huh?
Oh my god.
Baby wants to check it out.
Careful. Oh, I like this. It's a
You
cherry
can either
blossom.
have it upstairs with your new computer or put it downstairs with the old one.
It's cherry blossom. Amazing.
Bring the old one
This
down.
is for resting wrist as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. That. Amazing. Wow. I'm having lots of stuff.
Yes.
Thank you so much, darling. Thank you.
And just one more item.
I really need this.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So one more unboxing. This. Oh my god. I am so lucky today. It's my lucky day. Yes. Throw it there. Let's see. What's this?
Keep the box for that because we have to make sure that it works first. Not running the box.
Let's see. Let's see, what is this? Oh, it's... Oh my gosh, this is what I really needed. I like this. I like this rounded thing here. Yeah, because this is very convenient to use. I prefer this.
Some of the reviews were bad because they were complaining it doesn't work with Windows 11.
Oh, really?
But your computer here is Windows 10, the old one. Is it 10 or it's not even 10?
11.
Is it 10? Yeah, it is 10, I think. Your old one?
Oh, the old one. Yeah, 10.
Yeah, so hopefully it should work with it. We'll have to try it, so careful not to damage the boxes.
Okay. So it's called Optical. There. It's called
The
Optical
trackball. Mouse with a trackball.
Trackball. Yeah. It's so amazing. I like it. I really like this. Okay.
Careful, don't tear it. Have a proper look. See how it happens.
Okay, there. Oopsie.
Keep the box there.
So it's Kensington. I'll put it there first. So these are the leaflet for this, how to use it, but I think it's very straightforward.
Hopefully it's plug and play.
Of course. You don't need to
Install anything.
install
I hope not.
Yeah. Yes, I really like this. So I'll take this. Oh, anak.
Careful,
Oh,
it comes out and it can get damaged. So
Yeah. Oh, It's very light. A tiny bit lighter. Yeah. Oh, that's cute. It's black. It's
I
gray.
would have preferred red, but they don't have a red one of this.
Yeah, the
They
other
had
one
different
is
handheld ones with red ball, but they were smaller and you have to hold them in your hand. You can put it on the desk, so
yeah.
they didn't have the other type that you got.
So it's okay because this color combination, silver and black, is a perfect combination. It's a good combination. Metal and water. Yes, so it's good. This is a bit longer.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, it's fine. This is what I like it because it's very convenient. You don't need to stretch it to where it should be. Oh, I like it. So I just put it like this, like that, then like this. I do it like that. Yeah.
Click, click.
Click, 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 click. Yes, lovely, lovely, lovely. Wow, I love it. Thank you so much, darling.
You're welcome, madam.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Wow, amazing, amazing. So this is the unboxing for today, guys. So 1, 2,
Computer
3,
accessories.
4, 5. 5 unboxing in one go. Lovely, amazing. Yes. Wow. I love it. I'm so happy. I can't wait to use this. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Ta-ra. Love, love, love.